Coming to second problem, the paid up capital of Bangalore Company Limited in rupees 5 lakh and includes 2005% cumulative preference share of rupees 100 each. 2000 into 100, 2 lakh, and 30,000 equity share of rupees 10 each. 30,000 into 10, 3 lakh. 2 lakh plus 3 lakh, total paid up capital is 5 lakh. Because of heavy losses, the company has decided to reduce the burden of its capital structure and has secured the required permission. It is going for internal reconstruction due to losses in the past years. Coming to first point, reduction in the value of patents by rupees 70,000, machinery by rupees 17,000 and equipment by rupees 2,000. Cancellation of the balance of loss of rupees 1,98,000 shown on the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, in bracket loss, you will be mentioning 1,98,000. Writing down the balance of research expenditure account by using the balance remaining in the capital reduction account. The research expenditure is shown in the balance sheet at rupees 79,000. The balancing figure will be research expenditure account. Coming to next, the approved scheme of capital reduction is as follows. Coming to first point, in exchange for every 5% preference share, issue of 4% preference share of rupees 100 each. Coming to next, in exchange for every 5% preference shares, 20 ordinary share of rupees 2 each. Coming to next, issue of 1 equity share of rupees 2 each in the payment of arrears of preference share dividend of rupees 10. The total arrears of preference dividend is rupees 30,000. The dividend has not yet been declared. Here they have given information. The preference share dividend is rupees 10. Instead of that, they are issuing 1 equity share of rupees 2. You will be going for a cross multiplication. The total amount of dividend is, the total arrears of preference dividend is 30,000. The cross multiplication into 2 divided by 10. So you will be getting 6,000. Coming to next, issue of 1 new equity share of rupees 2 each in exchange for 5 old ordinary shares. Draft suitable journal entries. Coming to solution, in the books of Bangalore Company Limited, journal entries, serial number, particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. Coming to first point, 5% preference share capital account debit, amount is 2 lakh. In the problem they have mentioned preference share capital is 2 lakh, equity share is 3 lakh, paid up capital is 5 lakh. So coming to next entry in the adjustment part, to 4% preference share capital account. Here they have mentioned, in exchange for every 5% preference share, issue of 4% preference share of rupees 100 each. So it will be 3 by 5 into 2000 into 100 each. Amount is 1,20,000. Same thing you will be mentioning here, 1,20,000. Coming to next, to equity share capital account, 20 ordinary share divided by 5. Here you can see in the working note, in exchange for every 5% preference share, 20 ordinary share of rupees 2 each. So 20 by 5 into 2000 shares into 2 each, amount is 16,000. You will mention here 16,000. Next, to capital reduction account. 1,20,000 plus 16,000, you will be adding this amount and it will be subtracted by 2 lakh. The remaining balance is 64,000. You will mentioning as to capital reduction account. Coming to note, being the conversion of 2,000, 5% preference share of rupees 100 each to 1,200, 4% preference share of rupees 100 each and 8,000 ordinary share of rupees 2 each. So coming to second entry, old ordinary share capital account debtor. Ordinary share or equity share, it is same. Debit 3 lakh. In the problem they have mentioned 2 lakh is preference share and 3 lakh is ordinary share or equity share. Coming to next, to new ordinary share capital account. 1/5 into 30,000 into 2. Here I have mentioned the working note. Issue of 1 equity share of rupees 2 each in the exchange for 5 old ordinary share. 1/5 into 30,000 share into 2, you will be getting 12,000. The amount 12,000 you have mentioned here. 3 lakh minus 12,000. So the balance will be 2,88,000. You will be mentioning to capital reduction account. In the credit side, you are mentioning 12,000 as well as 2,88,000. In note, being the issue of 1 ordinary share of rupees 2 each for every 5 ordinary share of 10 each. Coming to next entry, arrears of preference dividend debit 6,000 to ordinary share capital account 6,000. Already I have explained this working note in the question. Issue of 1 equity share of rupees 2 each in the payment of arrears of preference share dividend of rupees 10. The total arrears of preference dividend is rupees 30,000. The dividend has not yet been declared. So the balance payable, it is nothing but the total arrears of preference dividend is 30,000. So the rupees of preference dividend is 10. Instead of that, they are issuing 1 equity share of rupees 2 each. So you are doing cross multiplication. 30,000 into 2 divided by 10, 6,000. Same amount you are mentioning here in the debit side. Arrears of preference dividend 6,000 in debit side. To ordinary share capital account 6,000 you are mentioning in the credit side. Being the issue of 1 ordinary share of rupees 2 each for every rupees 10 arrears of preference dividend out of capital reduction account. Coming to next entry, capital reduction account debit amount is 3,52,000. So here you can see 64,000 reduction amount and here 2,88,000 reduction amount. You will be totaling this to 64,000 plus 2,88,000. You will be getting 3,52,000. So next, to profit and loss account 1,98,000. To patents account 70,000. To machinery account 17,000. To equipments account 2,000. Coming to next, to arrears of preference dividend 6,000. You will be totaling all the amount 1,98,000, 70,000, 17,000, 2,000, 6,000. The remaining balance from 3,52,000, it will be 59,000 will be a part of balancing figure. To research expenditure account you will be mentioning the amount 59,000 you will be mentioning here. Coming to note, being the utilization of capital reduction account balance in writing of various items. You can check out the working note.